Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily block someone on Facebook Messenger. So that's quite simple and easy, but before starting the tutorial make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, of course you will have to open the Facebook Messenger. Now basically there are two ways to block someone on Facebook Messenger. For example, the first way is to click on the contact. Now click on the person's name on the top. Now you will have to scroll down all the way, and on the bottom you can find an option of block. Click on it. Now you can block him on Facebook or block calls and messages. You can do anyone. Now the second way is to go back. Click on three lines on the top left. Click on gear at the top right. Now click on privacy and safety, and now you will have to click on blocked accounts. Now here are all the block accounts that I've previously blocked, and Facebook doesn't send the notification to the contact that you have blocked, so it's pretty safe. So that's how you can easily block someone on Facebook Messenger. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the